Netflix and online viewing has become mainstream, and that they're willing to pay for content just like everybody else is.
And speaking of how much they're paying, there was one analyst report today from Janney Montgomery Scott of a potential $350 million a year price tag here. Will this company have to boost what it charges subscribers to cover the costs of a deal like this?
Well, Netflix hasn't said what the price is, but then they have been the estimates have been a little over the map. Some say 150 million, some say 300 million, some say 350 million. At the end of the day, it really depends on how many subscribers they have by the time they reach the beginning of this deal in 2016. If they don't have enough, we're going to see higher prices.
And when it comes to higher prices, there are a few ways that Netflix theoretically could go, even though for now they're not saying anything. Like tiered pricing. So if you want access to all the old stuff, $8. If you want access to all the new Disney stuff, $13, whatever. I mean, just throwing out a number.
Yeah, this is, I mean, the content guys really would love Netflix to go to tiered pricing. They think that there is a market there and that they could actually get more money from Netflix if they go that route. Reed Hastings has basically said that he does not want to do that. He thinks all you can eat, one price is the way to go. At this point, though, they can't raise prices because of the backlash last year that they had.
And 2016 is still a few years away, so some time for them to figure that out. You mentioned Reed Hastings. Here's a guy who's thinking long-term, not just about these kind of deals, but the global expansion at the same time that it is a public company, and Carl Icahn, an activist investor, is a major shareholder. How is he going to balance that?
He really does not seem to care what the investors think. I mean, that's what's really interesting. He has this vision. He knows there's a tug of war among investors about what Netflix's long-term prospects are. But at the end of the day, I think he feels like this is going to give him a big shot in the arm. If Disney is saying that Netflix is going to be around 3 years from now, you know, this major media conglomerate, then that basically gives him a bit of leeway to actually go after these markets.